This video is sponsored by DoubleCoin. Visit DoubleCoinTires.com for more information.
Welcome back. I'm Kevin Linger, managing editor and producer here at Fleet Encampment. Okay, sorry. I'm Kevin Linger, managing editor and producer here at Fleet Equipment, and Fleet Equipment. I'm being told it's Fleet Equipment. Hey everyone, thanks for being back for another episode of On the Road. And getting that immediate feedback and coaching is great, especially if you're like me and sometimes make mistakes. But when you're on the road, fixing those mistakes early instead of reviewing later can be a big time saver and money saver if you're a fleet worrying about driver safety. Geotab has just launched their new Go Focus Plus AI Dashcam, and it's promising to do just that, giving real-time alerts and real-time coaching to help your drivers. We're going to talk to an expert. Stick around to find out more. We want to welcome in Charlie Elliott, Geotab's Senior Vice President of Marketing and Marketplace. Charlie, how are you doing today?
I'm great. It's raining outside, but still a beautiful day.
Oh yeah, that's all right. It's not raining here on the internet where everyone's watching us. I hope it's nice and dry for all of you. So getting into this AI technology, how does real-time in-cab coaching and the ability to address things that happen quickly, how does that change the fleet safety compared to traditional reactive video reviews?
Yeah, I think the two things work together, right? Like the instant feedback that we've developed with the Go Focus Plus camera is to help the driver in the moment. You're on the road. We've all been there where you miss a turn, you get an alert, real life happens, you're tempted to pick up a phone, and then you can get an alert right away just to remind you and like correct you while you're driving, sort of a driver assistant. So it's like that immediate feedback to help you while you're on the road. The next piece is obviously in the post and the corrective after the fact is important as well. So like uploading those events and making sure those are looked at. But I think a big difference of on the road is building that trust for a driver, making sure you're giving them high quality feedback. They've got enough going on in the cab. So that's really where we focused the product.
That trust is a big thing, and it leads into our next question. How can AI dash cams support driver well-being and retention with the company beyond compliance needs?
Yeah, as you say, the trust is a big part. And for our part, it's been investing in as high accuracy and high reliability as we can. There's nothing worse than getting a fake alert on the phone or a false positive from the camera. There's enough distractions going on. We seek to be like a tool to be used for the driver to enhance their experience. So, and also like road facing as well. So it's we've got road facing to help you with lane departure or to help with tailgating and make those things a little bit more objective for drivers as well. So it's the well-being part. I think drivers have a lot going on in the cab. So we're doing our best to make sure that they can rely on our product to be rock solid for them.
Despite some of these benefits, there is a perception that AI-driven coaching can feel intrusive in the cab. So how is Geotab addressing privacy, fairness, and driver buy-in so fleets don't create resistance instead of improvement?
Yeah, I think first and foremost, our sort of platform's designed with privacy in mind, right from the ground up. So we do processing on the edge, so edge detection in the cab, analyze locally, and only share the most important events to the cloud, and those are all private by default. So that's like a super important piece of the platform. And when it comes to fairness, I think having a camera is really important for drivers to get a fair shake, to make sure that event doesn't get blamed on them just because their vehicle might have been bigger. So you get very objective measures from the camera to be able to give the driver a fair shake.
When it comes to advanced safety tools like this one, it may be viewed as an additional item, but how can fleets view this technology as part of a business strategy instead?
Yeah, I think any fleet is deploying cameras, telematics, logging devices to be more efficient, to get a return on those products. So like by nature of the product, it's a business tool to help them route more efficiently, move faster, meet whatever objective they need to meet. So the cameras we know help a lot on the safety side of things, but it works alongside telematics products. It works alongside driver incentive programs as well, routing programs. So to help the fleet just achieve whatever goals that they've got in mind that are important to them. And our Geotab platform has a whole host and suite of these products available and integrates super well into any technical environment.
To sum, this next question might be the most important. What kind of measurable impact can fleets expect on insurance cost, claims reduction, or operational efficiency when deploying AI video intelligence?
Yeah, like we've had a number of customers share some metrics with us, and the insurance claims our insurance costs are a significant savings just because you asked specific. We had a customer share with us, it was up to 30% of their insurance costs, when that's a massive part of your costs as a fleet. So that's a big chunk. And back in the office, you're also simplifying the safety team's job or safety manager's job by getting them the most important events when they need them, and not sort of giving them a sea of events to sift through. You get them the most important events that they need to see.
This is a new technology, and the rate of technology advances is getting faster and faster. So how is this platform designed to evolve with future safety technologies or fleet demands?
Yeah, I think the last 12 months of technology has been a pretty wild ride, that's for sure. But I think we're constantly upgrading the models on the camera, the firmware that runs it, making install easier. So your install team that's getting you set up, making that easier, faster, and more reliable. Also, like the data that upload, making sure that's as efficient as possible. So having that in-cab experience nailed down. And then in office too, like we're always improving our software so that the in-office folks have the simplest experience possible. So, and we've got like a family of cameras to address needs as well. So as your fleet grows, our platform grows. And we have a big team of engineers over here working away on new problems all the time.
Is there anything else you want to leave our viewers with today about this technology or other Geotab offerings, if they want to know more?
If you want to know more, head over to geotab.com. You can find out about our whole platform and products and our partners' products as well. And we're excited to bring you more.
All right, Charlie, Elliott, thank you so much for taking the time to talk us through the technology today.
All right, thanks.
And thank you to all of our Fleet Equipment subscribers for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to our newsletter if you want more great content like this. See you next time.